Welcome to the Introduction to Computer Algebra. In this presentation, we'll explore how computers manipulate mathematical expressions symbolically. We'll delve into the world where computers don't just calculate numbers, but also understand and transform mathematical formulas. This involves handling summations, integrals, derivatives, and roots in a symbolic way. So, what exactly is computer algebra? Computer algebra is a field that combines mathematics and computer science. It focuses on developing algorithms that allow computers to manipulate mathematical expressions and objects in their symbolic form, rather than just numerically. Think of it as teaching computers to understand and work with equations and formulas like a mathematician would. For example, computer algebra can simplify the expression x squared plus 2x plus 1 to x plus 1 squared. It can also compute the integral of x with respect to x, giving x squared divided by 2 plus a constant c. Furthermore, it can differentiate sine of x with respect to x, resulting in cosine of x. Let's clarify the difference between symbolic and numeric computation. Symbolic computation deals with exact mathematical expressions. For example, square root of 2 pi divided by 4, or a polynomial like x squared plus 3x minus 5. These are represented and manipulated as symbols and formulas. On the other hand, numeric computation deals with approximate decimal values. So, the square root of 2 becomes 1.4142136 and so on. Pi divided by 4 is approximately 0.785398816 and so on. And for the polynomial, we might evaluate it at a specific point such as f of 2 equals 5. Computer algebra systems perform several core operations. One of these is simplification, which reduces expressions to simpler forms. For instance, x squared minus 1 can be simplified to x minus 1 times x plus 1. Another core operation is expansion, which multiplies out expressions. For example, x plus 1 squared expands to x squared plus 2x plus 1. Differentiation is another key operation, where derivatives are computed symbolically. The derivative of x cubed with respect to x is 3x squared. Finally, integration involves finding antiderivatives, such as the integral of 2x with respect to x being x squared plus a constant c. To perform computer algebra, we use specialized software known as computer algebra systems, or CAS. Some popular tools include Mathematica, Maple, SageMath, SymPy, which is a Python library, and Maxima. Here's a simple example using SymPy in Python. We first import the SymPy library. Then we define x as a symbol. We create an expression x squared plus 2 times x plus 1. To factorize this expression, we use the factor function from SymPy. The result, when printed, will be x plus 1 squared. To understand how computer algebra systems work, it's helpful to know how they represent mathematical expressions internally. Consider the simple expression, 2x plus 3y. Computers use a structure called an abstract syntax tree, or AST, to represent this. The tree might look like this. At the top we have a plus node. Underneath the plus node we have two multiplication nodes. On the left we have 2 multiplied by x, and on the right we have 3 multiplied by y. This tree structure allows the computer to efficiently manipulate the expression. Computer algebra has numerous real-world applications. In scientific computing, it's used for physics simulations and mathematical modeling. In education systems, it provides step-by-step problem-solving and tutoring. In engineering, it's applied to control systems and optimization problems. And in artificial intelligence, it enables symbolic reasoning and theorem proving. In summary, computer algebra enables symbolic manipulation of mathematical expressions. Key operations include simplification, expansion, differentiation, and integration. It is powered by expression trees and advanced algorithms. Computer algebra is the foundation of modern mathematical computing. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.